G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, once again, we are asking the question, go or no go. We wanted a quick little getaway out of town for the weekend, so we're out here at a place not too far from the city called Dayboro, and we're here at the showgrounds. We're going to take a bit of a look around the place here and see what it's got to offer you. Let's go check it out.
Don't know, go for long.
Dayboro is around 45 minutes northwest of Brisbane. As you can see here, there's a couple of different options for heading up towards Dayboro itself. You can head along Old Northern Road up towards Petrie and then head out along Dayboro Road. Or my favourite way of getting there is heading along Samford Road until you get to Samford and then making your way out the back way through the back of Samford, Mount Sampson and the bottom end of Lake Samson Vale and reaching Dayboro from there. There's plenty of facilities available in town here, and the site itself is actually really uniquely positioned right here in the middle of town itself. There's a ton of different facilities around the place here, including service stations, some really great cafes and the local bakery that's here as well, and also plenty of stores including an IGA, and there's a really great pub here as well, which is great for a drink and a meal as well. Alright, well let's head on down to the site itself. Alright, well here we are at Dayboro Showgrounds. Let's go take a look at the place. As you'll be able to see here, the vast majority of the sites around the showgrounds itself are actually powered, which is really good. And for more information on booking of the sites here, all you need to do is log on, as you can see here, to www.dayboroshow.society.com and contact the caretaker on the number that's provided there. And as you can see here, at the time of filming in March of 2026, these sites are $25 for 2 adults per night. Everybody who camps at the site has the option to use facilities that are available there, which include shower and toilet blocks, and there's hot and cold showers there, and there's also a camp kitchen and laundry with corn operated washing machines and dryers there as well. As you can see here, there's actually 2 shower and toilet blocks that are on site. There's one up near the Dayboro Show Society building itself, and there's another shower and toilet block which is down on the other side of the showgrounds, closer to the rodeo area. Dogs are also allowed on site here as well. And as the site information details here, it's only a very short walk into town in Dayboro. It's about a 5-minute walk, not too far away. The closest main road to the site, as you can see here, is Mount Mee Road, but it's actually probably 200 or 300 metres away from the showgrounds themselves. So you don't actually get a lot of noise from Mount Mee Road at all. And as you can see here, the site itself backs onto residential areas that are here, but this is actually a very quiet site to stay at. So that was actually quite a surprise. As you can see here, the site is really well kept and the grounds are always really well maintained here. There's also plenty of bins around the site, and there are also a multitude of different options for places that you can stay. So if it is busy here, there's plenty of different places all around the showgrounds and all around the oval that you can stay if you're after a quiet area. currently at the moment where we stayed down the bottom near the rodeo area is very quiet, and there was only one other person here, so it was really quiet for the evening down here. And that's also the furthest from the road as well, if any of the road noise that is around does bother you as well. If you're after any assistance for the site as well, the caretaker is available and around, and can often be seen travelling around in his little golf cart, and he's around from 8 AM to 5 PM every day, and also has a mobile number that he's contactable on as well. Alright, well that's going to wrap things up for us here at Dayboro Showgrounds. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.